Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Florida. So I just watched one of your videos, which is a great video. You get a lot of great information in there. We have a Stanley, it's a Magic Access, and we need to buy one of those parts from you. It's a 110379.
Okay.
So as far as the handing goes, from the outside it's hinged on the right, so to me it would be a right-hand reverse, but I don't know if that is different for those type of closers.
A Stanley 110379.
Which I think it's low. I think one of your videos.
It's a okay. It's a Magic.
Yeah, it's a pretty common
one.
I think. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, what you and I would call right-hand reverse, they're going to call that left-hand out.
Well, and that's why we just want to confirm that. Okay, so it'd be a left-hand out.
Yeah, it's just, why one part of Stanley doesn't behave like the other part of Stanley is silly. It's just
no. Some of the I think some of the LCNs and some of the other closers we've dealt with, they do them that way too. That way, it's easier for me just to tell our distributor how it opens instead of, like you said, you and I would see it as a right-hand reverse. It's a left-hand out.
No, LCN does not do it that way. They do it the traditional steel door institute method, like I would. You got 4 ways to hand a door. Pick one. Let's talk about it. Although, in everyone's defense, it took me 2 years before it kind of made sense.
Yeah.
But yeah, right-hand reverse would definitely be what Stanley Access is going to call left-hand out.
Okay. So do you sell? So it's for one of our. It's a city job. But I think, so Stanley doesn't even want to, they're having problems with Stanley even replying to them or getting somebody over there, and we do work for them anyway. I think it's just, they were told it's just a spring, but I kind of don't want to take a chance. I'd rather just get the whole unit. Or, in your last video I saw you were just, I guess, just selling that one part. I don't need the board or anything like that.
Okay, yeah, it would really depend on what part you need to make sure, you're talking about that tightly coiled spring inside of there.
Correct.
I mean, if you're not thoroughly prepared to service the unit at that level, I wouldn't even bother with that.
Well, we're not, so I would rather exactly.
So, right.
I know it takes a special tool, and I don't want to. I'd rather just replace that whole unit. So, you sell these as rebuilt?
Yeah, that's how it happens. So the price that you see online is the upfront cost plus freight. When you send back the derelict unit, there's going to be a 40% refund back to the original cost of the item that you bought. Oh,
okay. So that's like a core charge then. Okay.
It's exactly. You go back to Sears with your battery back in 1985. They give you $15.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
Yep,
that's what it is.
So the price that I think online you have it, and that's even if we're a locksmith, that'd be the same price.
Yeah. I mean, it's quite frankly, you're the type of people that are buying this stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so I'll go by that price on there, and based on what I told you, it's a left-hand out. So I can probably just order it through your website then.
You can, or on the telephone. The phone's faster, but they come back the same way.
Okay, then let me do a little bit. Just talk to the customer, and make sure they're okay with that, and knowing that, we'll get 40% back. What's freight usually cost if we're down here in South Florida?
About $25. Where in South Florida are you?
I like the Fort Lauderdale area, Pompano
cool.
Beach.
Yeah, I'm about 95 miles away.
Oh, okay. Where are you at?
Naples.
Oh, okay. So you're about an hour away. We just cut across the alley.
You just cut across. You just, just keep moving. Everybody just keep moving.
That's it. I appreciate your help, and we'll get back to you. Thanks a lot, Richard.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. If you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please click subscribe as well, and even share the video with someone that you know. And if you have any questions for a future video, please send them our way, and we will make every attempt to oblige. And thank you very much.